changes the course of the way they think about life.
Another incredible, super-rich holiday draws to a close. And you have to wonder if there's anything money can't buy. Priceless art, jewellery to die for, rock crystal bars, perfumes infused with diamond dust, even life-changing moments. It's all on tap for those with deep enough pockets. But does this phenomenal power to purchase ultimately deliver what all human beings crave?
For my taste, too much of billionaire activity can be described as vulgar, and vulgar doesn't make people happy.
I come across people who spend excessively thinking it's going to make them feel good, and then they actually discover that it makes them feel worse.
They've shown that money and happiness are only correlated up to, I think, $70,000 a year. More than $70,000, like, oh my gosh, I gotta deal with this, and the happiness level, the daily happiness level feels lower.
It can be really easy to view people who have great financial wealth as living in a fairy tale. And yet, it's all in the eye of the beholder. Nobody gets to live life as a
Finished? You're busy, huh? Pángale. Oh, Russian blue. Okay. Don't fighting, okay?